Bacoban is a long-term surface disinfectant developed in nanotechnology procedure. The formula is environment-friendly. The biocidal compounds are food-safe, animal-friendly, and not harmful to humans and don't contain aldehydum or phenol. The formula, which is a patent surface disinfectant, uses a completely new approach. It uses a semi-permanent nanoscale layer of SiO2, better known as liquid glass. This layer contains anti-pathogen agents which are slowly released for up to 10 days whilst the surface is in place. Bacoban is effective against bacteria, but is also effective against a wide range of pathogens including hepatitis, influenza, HIV, Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Candida albicans, Salmonella, MRSA, E. coli, and the list goes on. Bacoban is effective in 5 minutes and closes the hygiene gap that occurs between disinfection cycles. Moreover, Bacoban reduces odors caused by bacteria. The formula, which contains SiO2, creates easy-to-clean surfaces, which reduces the cleaning time of the protected surfaces by approximately 50%. Bacoban is VAH listed and CE certified as a Class 2A medical device. It is biocompatible and holds more than 60 European standards and the international ASTM standard as well. Bacoban can be applied on almost any surface such as floors, fabrics, metal, plastics, wood, ceramic, and more. These days we are working with clients who are specialists in sectors that include healthcare, hospitality, military, food, beverage, agriculture, zoology, veterinary care, and the marine industry. Bacoban is available in different applications: wipes for general cleaning and disinfection of surfaces, concentrated liquid for dilution with water just before floor washing, spray bottle, nebulizer for automatic disinfection. The Bacoban nebulizer is a unique, highly cost-effective product. It's designed to use Bacoban DL, which is sold in bottles that screw into the nebulizer. The Bacoban vapor emitted gives fast coverage of a complete room in a short period of time by a single person while creating dry and invisible 5-micron drops of liquid, allowing electrical devices to stay in the room without fear of creating corrosion. For more information and distribution questions, please contact us.